Ever imagined a pool that thinks for itself? This isn't just a pool, it's a technological marvel. Powered by top-notch Jandy technology, every swim is an experience straight out of tomorrow. At its heart are the ePump's 2.7 GP variable speeds, ensuring both filtration and water features run at peak performance. Craving that oceanic feel? Our Jandy AquaPure salt chlorination system delivers that refreshing touch every time. For the spa enthusiasts, the Jandy air blower creates the perfect ambiance with its gentle bubbles. And as night falls, watch the pool come alive with Jandy HydroCool colored LED lights, turning every swim into a mesmerizing spectacle. Best of all, control all these features with a simple tap, thanks to the Jandy iAqualink automation system. Brought to life by the experts at JMC Pools, this is where innovation dives deep into luxury. Turn your pool dreams into reality. Connect with the experts at JMC Pools today.